Alright, get it time. Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica. You can call me Badu or E, whichever you please. And here on my channel, I make DIY tutorials like this one, as well as some fashion-related videos and some lifestyle videos. So, if either of those interest you, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell too so you don't miss a beat. And if you would like to connect with me more, keep the vibes going, keep the love flowing, you can follow me on my socials, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Depop, that's the one right there, and my Snapchat. But without further ado, let's make it do what it do. Okay, and the supplies you'll need, or the supplies I have, and if you're gonna recreate, these are the things you'll need as well. I have a paper plate, I have various colors of paint. Got these from Walmart, of course. I think they like 50 cents each, but sometimes they do come in like a long array of colors. I think 12 at the most. And then I have a cup of water to rinse off the paint with. Have paintbrushes and the jeans, well, the shorts. And I'm gonna do a white pair of jeans as well. And most importantly, do not want to forget your creativity. When painting, I would recommend that you tape the outside areas of your canvas. That way you don't make a beautiful mistake like I did, but it also will create these really crisp edges on the side, so I would recommend that. And also I would definitely recommend fabric. Can you talk? Can you speak English? Okay, I would definitely recommend fabric paint instead of acrylic paint. However, I am going to use acrylic paint, but I am going to put Mod Podge over the top of it, so it creates this water sealant over top. But you really wouldn't need that if you were using fabric paint. So while I allow this white to dry, I'm going to move on to the white pants and get them going a little bit. just like that, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, cosmic beings of the universe, we have come to the end of our video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and even comment what you'd like to see next. You know, all those goody ingredients. And thank you so much for watching. I'll be sure to catch you on my next one. See you later.